guys, Troy here. It's Memorial Day. Hope you guys are having a great time relaxing with your family. I wanted to put together a quick video for you. This is one I've been looking to do for a long time, and it's comparing the Strymon setup, my hybrid Kemper setup, to where I use my own overdrive pedals but use the wet effects in the Kemper, and then the Line 6 Helix. Keep in mind, as I'm going through this video, I'm not trying to make any of these sound like the other one. I'm simply trying to make each of them individually sound as good as they can. They all bring their own strengths to the table. So that's what we're kind of looking to do here. So what I did to compare them is I played through the song King of My Heart by Bethel with each of the setups. And what I'll do is I'll splice the parts side by side so you can listen to them. Now keep in mind, after spending extensive time with all three of these, there's not a bad setup out of any of these. They all sound awesome. The digital gear nowadays is so good. So, I mean, it's kind of a toss-up. In my opinion, we're just splitting hairs, especially in a mix. With these tracks, they're kind of pumped up in the mix so you can hear the subtleties, but in a mix during a church setting, you're not going to hear it. It's just what's easier for you to work with from a workflow standpoint, budget, how much money you want to have tied up in gear and all that stuff. So that's kind of what you have to think about. But without further ado, here's the sound samples from the Strymon, Line 6 Helix, and Kemper setups.
Chorus. Chorus. Verse. Chorus. chorus,